remember that moment, protesters toppling Silent Sam in August of 2018. But the Confederate monument is still causing problems for the University of North Carolina.
Silent Sam is a Confederate monument erected on the campus of the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. It was erected in 1913 to honor the alumni who served as Confederate soldiers in the Civil War. Silent Sam has caused numerous issues on campus regarding the racist connotation that is connected to the statue. On August 20, 2018, protesters at UNC toppled the statue. It wasn't until November 27, 2019, that a decision regarding Silent Sam's future was made.
I'm responding to the Breaking News Center. A lawsuit has been filed to seek and reverse the recent agreement with what to do with Silent Sam. Now, the courts approved a settlement to transfer the monument to the Sons of Confederate Veterans and provide $2.5 million for maintenance.
Protesters rallied outside of these doors earlier today. They're upset about how this deal was handled and the fact that today's meeting was a conference call.
No payout! No BOG! No racist UNC!
Loud chanting and signs that read Silent Sham.
Matt Turner, John Brown, anti-racist, run this town!
As protesters are angry about how UNC gave the Sons of Confederate Veterans $2.5 million to preserve the statue.
The hastiness of this decision has caused a lot of stir in the UNC and Triangle communities in person, but also on social media. Tweets have been firing out quickly, spreading information about the settlement and also asking for information regarding the happenings of the settlement. We studied almost 1,000 tweets with the hashtag SilentSam using the Twitter archival Google Sheet to learn more about who was talking about this issue and, more importantly, what they were saying. Over 60% of the tweeters were from the Triangle area in North Carolina or the broader state of North Carolina. Tweeters in the Triangle area and broader North Carolina were tweeting the most, and the majority of their tweets were informing their followers about hashtag SilentSam. This leads me to believe that the majority of tweeters using informing as their type of communication were reporters or a part of an organization that had information regarding Silent Sam. The tweets that we looked at were from the immediate 30 days following the release of the settlement regarding Silent Sam. Those 30 days were very important in the spread of information regarding the settlement and what was to be done with Silent Sam. I think that the newsworthiness of the topic in those 30 days definitely contributed to the high number of informing tweets from users in the Triangle and North Carolina areas. While it is not surprising that reporters were using hashtag SilentSam and tweeting out information regarding the settlement, a shocking fact of this study relates to the students at UNC Chapel Hill. Hashtag SilentSam was used more by tweeters on a global and national scale than by tweeters that identified as students. Only 0.8% of tweeters in our corpus were identified as students. Does this mean students do not care, or is there something we have overlooked? While we can't say why students are or are not tweeting about hashtag SilentSam, one thing we know is that they are still using their voice in other ways.
Yeah, listen to an incoming freshman actually here at Chapel Hill.
I'm absolutely disgusted by those who feel that they can stifle the youth's voices, because it is our constitutional right and responsibility to show not only Chapel Hill, not only North Carolina, but the entire country and the entire world what the youth of today really, really want. And we want equal rights, and we want to get rid of monuments to the Confederacy.